Okay guys, today I'm gonna cook crab stick tempura. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. We did crab stick, and then the butter. The butter is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then 2 egg whites, and then 2/3 cup cold water, and then a teaspoon of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Okay, we're gonna start now. Like this. Okay guys. I think that's it as of now. Okay. Guys, so this is it. This is the last batch of our crab stick tempura. Okay. Okay guys, so that's our crab stick tempura is done. So now it's tasting times. Okay, I'm gonna choose the one that is already cooked for a long time. Okay, so I'm gonna dip this one in ketchup, but you can also eat without dipping in the ketchup. Okay. That's yummy. That's yummy guys. Okay guys, this is our crab stick tempura. It's done. Okay guys, if you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D-Bro-Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram. And to all my accounts guys, my YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook page, and personal blog. And to my personal blog, Lilia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.